It's not a toy. It's a marshmallow. You can eat that. Marshmallow. Akala niya hindi kinakain.
Mama na, marshmallow.
Yeah, it's a marshmallow, mamala. Akala niya po yung mga nilalaro niya lang. Oh, it's a marshmallow. It's not a toy, ha? You can eat that. Wow.
Marshmallow.
Oo. Akala niya yung clay. It's not a clay, okay? Dahil madalas lang siya makakita at saka makapaglaro ng mga clay. First time niya kumain ng marshmallow. Oh, you're not allowed to eat, to eat more marshmallow, ha? Only 3 pieces, okay? Because it's so sweet, na? No more na, okay? No more na.
Okay, Mommy, I'm sorry.
Okay.
What's that?
It's a marshmallow.
Marshmallow boo.
Yeah. Yan, merienda niya marshmallow tsaka saging na saba. You can only eat 3 pieces. You cannot eat more, okay?
Okay, Mommy.
Akala niya nga kanina clay ayaw niyang laro, ayaw niyang kainin. Nilalaro niya lang. Pinakita ko lang na kumagat ako kaya ginaya niya ako. Good thing hindi siya nasanay sa mga ganyang pagkain. Hinayaan ko lang siya matikman niya para ma-explore naman niya yung ibang. Yum, right?
Okay.
Yeah. Yung pochi, ayaw niya rin yun. Ang sarap nun, di ba? Yung strawberry. Ayaw niya kasi hindi niya nakasanayan.
What's that?
That's a marshmallow. Strawberry flavor. What will you say to mommy?
Thank you, Mommy.
Yeah. You're welcome. I love you.
I love you, Coco.
Ang tawag niya sa akin, Choco. I love you, Coco. I love you, Choco. I love you, Miwa. Miwa. Can you kiss mommy? Kiss.
No, that's mine. That's my marshmallow.
Yeah. I love you. I love you.
It's nice.
Not slime.
No. What's that?
It's a marshmallow, not slime. Kaya ayaw mo din kainin, no? You thought that slime, no?
No, that's my slime.
No, it's not a slime. It's a marshmallow. Kaya pala ayaw niyang kainin kanina. Akala ko yung nasa isip niya clay. Slime pala, slime.
Do you want banana?
Yeah, I want banana. Ito, terno sa ni mami.
Do you want marshmallow?
Yeah.